Epileptic seizures, commonly called as fits, they are brief episodes of abnormal and excessive activity, neuronal activity in the brain. The effect of these seizures can vary differently. It may be either a jerky or flashing movement of the limbs, or it may be only a lapse of awareness or transient loss of consciousness. And when there is a recurrent episodes of seizure, it is known as epilepsy. Generally, epilepsy is not very uncommon. Generally, 4 to 5% of the population at any time suffers from epilepsy. There are different forms of seizures. They may be either convulsive or non-convulsive. Generally, the most common types are generalized tonic-clonic seizures or complex partial seizures. And the other uncommon types or non-convulsive seizures are atonic, myoclonic or absent seizures. Now coming to the most common type of seizure, that is generalized tonic-clonic seizures. In this there is an episode of sudden cry, there may be fall. This may be followed by abnormal muscle movement or body movement or jerky movements, and there may be shallow breathing or hyperventilation, followed by loss of consciousness for few minutes, and after that there may be abnormal confusion or fatiguability, and then after there is a fully loss of consciousness, fully regaining of consciousness. Generally, what to do during an episode of generalized tonic-clonic seizures? During seizure, the first thing is to protect the person from the nearby hazards. If there are any sharp objects nearby, you should ultimately remove these sharp objects. Loosen the ties or any tight shirt collars. Protect the head of the person from the injury. And after the convulsive stage has stopped, turn the person to one side so that his secretions may not be aspirated. If multiple seizure occurs, or if the duration of a single seizure is more than 5 minutes, the person should be rushed to a hospital. Then comes what not to do during an episode of seizure. The first thing is, do not implement any hard thing in the mouth. Generally, other person keeps spoon or other things in the mouth. They should not be kept. Don't try to hold the tongue during the episode of seizure. Don't give any liquid during or after an episode of seizure. Do not use artificial respiration during the time of seizure. And don't grab or hold the person very fast, and don't try to restrain. These activities should not be done during an episode of seizure. What happened when a seizure occurs in some unwanted place, such as what to do if a seizure occurs in a water. So if a seizure occurs in water, the person should be supported in water with the head lifted up, so that the head of the person remains above the level of the water, and he should be removed from the water as soon as possible, with the head keeping in that position. And once on the dry land, he should be examined, and if he is not breathing, artificial respiration should be given. Seizure can also be deleterious in a bathtub. So a person with seizure is generally said to use showers for bathing. If a seizure occurs while in a flight or in an aeroplane, the first thing is, don't panic. If possible, ask the passengers nearby to vacate the seats and let the person to sleep on the seats, and he should be tilted to one side, so that the secretions are not aspirated. And same thing should be done while a person is on a bus, on a train. He should be lying on the seat with turn around in a flatter position. And when a person with seizure, when an ambulance should be called. So if the seizure has happened in water, if the person is pregnant, he is injured, or he is diabetic, if there are multiple episodes of seizure, if seizure continues for more than 5 minutes, if a person is diabetic or if there is any external trauma present, in these cases ambulance help should be called. So in the last, I would like to add that epilepsy is not contagious. It is not, you can't simply catch epilepsy from one person to other person. And the thing is that anyone can have epilepsy, and most people with epilepsy, they can do the same things that people without epilepsy can do. So epilepsy is not very dangerous. Don't make it a social stigma, and a person with epilepsy, they should always live life happily.